气
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hey, what's up? It's time to talk about Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係美講。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Josephine。这个月我们来多教一些自然啊，比如说海啦、山啦、湖啦，这种都 OK。Okay, let's teach you something related to nature, such as lakes and oceans. All right, 湖怎么说？
湖
That's a lake, and an ocean, 海洋。
會有
台湾最有名的湖应该是
日月潭。
对 Sun Moon Lake. I'm sure you heard of that. Let's teach you this phrase. Sun Moon Lake is one of the largest freshwater lakes in Taiwan. 日月潭是台湾最大的淡水湖。
日月潭喺台灣，
日月潭喺台灣，
一定太基
一定太基
淡水湖。
淡水湖哦，淡水就淡水咯，
淡水哦。
That means freshwater lake. 除此之外，其实台湾的外岛也很漂亮。
对，绿岛。
绿岛，它有非常丰富的海洋资源，对不对 ？Let's teach you that. The coast of Green Island provides some rich marine resources.
綠島嘅海洋資源，
綠島嘅海洋資源
東豐富。
綠島叫做
綠島，其實綠島也可以稱為火燒島哦。
哦，是哦。那怎麼說呢？
火燒島。
So Green Island has another nickname known as the Volcanic Island. 火燒島 Very cool. Let's review some of the phrases we brought up, including a freshwater lake, 淡水湖
淡水湖
and then Sun Moon Lake, 日月潭 and finally, the lake and the ocean, 湖跟海洋
湖
海洋 And there you have it, all about aquatic terms right here on Talk About Hakka.
什麼睇㗎？
俺是誰？
張磊了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.